Well, good morning, YouTube. It's another day. We've got everything packed up, finishing hooking up the camper. As you can see, we've got it all hooked up. Fixing to head out on another trip. Appreciate y'all stopping in and watching the video. We are headed to Jekyll Island. It's about 9 in the morning. Getting ready to leave out here in a few minutes. About a 7-hour drive for us. So y'all come along with us. Check out what's going on Jekyll. So y'all come along with us. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll see you on down the road.
Hey, yeah, we're just now turning into Jekyll Island, actually. We had a blowout.
Continue straight for 10 minutes to North Beachview Drive.
Do what? Wait a minute. Oh, they're fine. Anthony's not processing it well, but he doesn't process his things.
Casino.
So, yeah, he's. So, Larissa said he came home early from work today, just the kids wasn't in town. But I don't think there's been anything if we left this morning. She's a big girl.
I just got the one today right now. I have to wait and find out.
Wow. Was he
Once
so
we get
when
there,
he
what
said that?
it'll be, I don't know. It's like it's $8, but I don't know.
Like a week.
I don't know what. Once I get Jekyll Island campground in Jekyll Island, Georgia. We got in after dark, had a blowout last night on the way down, just outside of Perry. As you can see, the good China bombs have struck again, so these will be getting changed to some good tires when we get back to Dalton. Show you our campsite. It's pretty nice little campground. Turn you around, right there's where you come in at, and we are actually like right here in the first loop. You can see our campsite. We've got everything set up. It's a little tight. We're backed in. Our site's right on top of somebody else. You can see the back of our camper and the side of theirs. They're outside eating right now, so I won't bother them. Right there's another site. You can see it's where we're at. It's a little tight, but so far it's been pretty good. We've about got everything set up, so we're gonna go walk over to the pier, and we'll bring you along with us.